Слава Україні! So, the pencils, huh? For some reason, lately I've been asked to tell some more about why I like pencils, why I use only pencils. So here we go. I will tell you a few pros which I consider so important for me. So first of all, of course, they are cheap. You can't go any cheaper than the cheap pencils in your local store. It goes to the point where you just buy a box of 50 or even 100 same pencils and you just store them in different places, I guess. I have one on my kitchen, few in my car, few in my second car. I have different pencils in different bags. Because they are so cheap, I never go out without the pencil. Also, if you store different pencils in different places and you just come back to your notebook, your writing will always look the same. It will look consistent, and it's not like you got a ballpoint pen and a fountain pen and there are different colors and so on. When you refer to your materials, it always will look like you have used the same pencil basically. Also, they are really easy to replace because of that. For example, when I go to library, I forgot my pencil. Don't ask me why, I'm not sure myself how I did it, but I managed to forget my pencil, and I just borrowed one from the library, and guess what? I finished my job and it looked just as I would use my own pencil. So basically, because the pencils are so cheap, you can have them everywhere. Also, they are extremely water resistant and time resistant. If you like fountain pens or ballpoint pens, that's okay, that's your choice, but I found that pencils are more convenient because when I refer to my older materials, pencil always looks the same. The fun thing about the pencils is that's a really cool hobby, I guess. It's accessible and it's also pretty cheap. You can buy different pencils in different countries. For example, when I travel, I always buy at least one pencil from the country or place I went to, and you can see I have the full box of my pencils. Some of them are themed, like superheroes, Marvel superheroes pencils or Minecraft pencils or whatever. Some of them are just basic, but every pencil tells his story. Also, like a branch hobby, if you can call it like that, you can learn how to sharpen your pencil with a knife. If you're a knife guy like I am, you will also always have a reason to carry and to use your knife, which is also super cool, I guess. And one more side hobby, you can just collect the stumps of your pencils when you finish them. I think it just looks cool, you know? It's like you have accomplished something and you can watch your jar grows, fills with different pencils, different colors. And it always gives you that feeling that you have spent your time well. The pencil is very analog, it's like the base of the base. And it's really reliable. I mean, how many times you have found yourself that your ballpoint pen has no ink inside when you really need it? Of course, you can carry different pens or secondary pens. You can buy a pen which will show you how much it has left, but the pencil, as long as you can hold it in hand, you can write with it. And if you decide to sharpen your pencils with a knife, you will definitely significantly increase your knifing skills. Knifing skills? Knife skills? Yeah, you will improve your knife skills for sure. You see, your pencil goes through something with you throughout the day. Just like you are from the beginning, in the morning, you have a lot of energy, you're sharp, you're smart, and when it comes to evening, you feel a little dull, smaller. You may even break a few times throughout the day. So this brings us to the philosophical nature of the pencil. You see, the main purpose of the pencil is to vanish itself from existence. Just like we are, before dying, pencil has to accomplish something. It needs to leave a mark in this world. And it just gets older with you. You can see how someone used his pencil. If it's a little chewed on and has some scars. If someone sharpened it with a dull knife or with a great sharpener. Pencil tells a lot about his owner, I guess. You see, pencil really slows you down, to say the least. It's a really great benefit of the pencil, when you can just step aside from all this madness that goes through your day and take a few seconds or even minutes for sharpening your pencil. It really brings you a joy and satisfaction of slowing down. Remember, you don't have to follow my advice. I'm just using a pencil and sharing with you why I do this and why it is more convenient for me. Just give it a try, okay? Try once and then decide. If it won't fit you, in worst case scenario, you will just lose few cents. But if you get hooked up like I did, oh boy, you're gonna get a beautiful hobby. That's for sure. So, love your pencils, guys. Carry your pencils. If you are a pencil guy right now, leave me a comment and just tell me your experience and how did you get hooked up onto the pencils theme. And if you prefer pens, like ballpoint pen or even a fountain pen, let me know down in the comments. Have you ever tried using a pencil like your primary writing tool? And if yes, why you came back to a pen? It would be very interesting to hear. Thank you for your time, guys, and stay safe.